Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial today we'll see how to download and install MySQL Server in your MacBook M1, M2 or M3. First open your browser and search your MySQL download. Here you can type MySQL download, then search it, then you click on this MySQL download, then you will reach in this page. Then you can go to down there, you can see MySQL community download. Click on the MySQL community download. Then you can see all the MySQL download option is here. Then there is option called MySQL community server. You can click on this. Now you can see all the different download options here. You can see it. So you need to choose your macOS 14. You can see macOS 14 ARM64 DMG. You can click on download and it will ask you when we'll go to this page. Then click on this, no thanks, just start my download. Click on it and you can see download has started and it will take few seconds down, and after that download will. Now once download is over, go to your download and you can see now download is over. Click on this, the DMG, then it will be opening this window for the downloader window. Now click on this. Now you have to double click on this. Now it will ask the package will run and determine if software can be installed. So you have to allow it. Once you allow, then you have to click, you have to read all the things and continue. Then continue. Then it you have to asking to agree on the license. You have to agree. Then install for this all users in the computer. You continue. Then you have to install this. You have to install it. Then it will ask for your MacBook password. You can give your Mac password. So then it will start installing these things. Now once it is installed, now then here you need to give a password for the asking for the root user and should remember that password to use it in future. Once you give a reasonable password, then you need to click finish. Then you can see that the start MySQL on installation is complete. Then finish it. Then it will be asking for your password. You have to give your Mac password. Then click OK. Then it will be installing the database setup. It will take few seconds. Now the installation is complete. Now you can close it. Now you can see you can move it. It's not needed. Now let's see where MySQL is running. We'll go to system preference, system setting, and here you have to go down and bottom you can see MySQL is installed here. You can see and all the MySQL server. If you want to stop here. If you want to start at the, it's already by default selected start MySQL on computer starts up. If you have to uncheck, you can uncheck it, giving your root password. Now your MySQL server is successfully installed. So now we need to configure. Now you need to open your terminal and let's see, open your terminal and you have to check here dot and just you can type MySQL, whether you go here and type MySQL. I can see MySQL command is not supported. For that you need to edit in a VAS profile. Profile is there or not in your system. So for that you just type ls -l. So you can see in my system VAS profile is there. Dot VAS profile is there. If not there, you can edit. You can use touch dot VAS underscore profile. So now we need to get the MySQL path. You need to go your spotlight search. There you have to type user. Then you need to slash. You need to can see this user. Then click on it. Then you can see in local. You need to click on local. Then here you can see MySQL 9.0.1. Click on this. Then here bean. You need to copy the path of bean. So here you need to copy copy. There is a copy option. You need to copy it. Then you need to add this path in here in path. Okay, you have to edit here. Now you need to copy this export path. Then after path you need to add this MySQL path. You need to add this in your VAS profile. Then go to your VAS profile. Then here type. I will use vi command dot bash underscore profile. Then you need to give your, then you can see here rest of the things are there. You need to go here and you need to add this path which you need to copy earlier prepared. You go here and you need to enter a new line and you need to enter that line for MySQL. Then you need to save it. Now you need to now need to close this terminal. Then you can quit it. Then you can quit. Then then you need to open the terminal again. Then go here. We did a small mistake. Instead of here we need to add, after path we need to give this colon. So this one you need to add a pass profile, then you need to close it, open it, then your MySQL command will work. Now let's type MySQL -u, username was root, then you need to ask for password, then it will ask for password, then whatever the password, if you remember what you've given, you need to give it here. Then I am not able to access, denied, using password, yes. So last time the password given was wrong, so now we'll give this time, let's give right password. Now now it is, you can see MySQL is connected. Now we'll type show databases to see list of databases. You can see these are the list of default databases which has been created, and these are the default databases. Now let's create a database. You can create command create database, test db 1 2, everything you can give. You can see now it is showing the query is executed successfully. Now we have created the database. Now check the show databases. There is some error, MySQL version. Okay, we have to give so databases. Now you can see, now database test db1 test db is created. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.